No problem. You can do that right now. Can you make a presentation now on that?
Okay, sir.
I'll switch on the video and I'll give the remote control, just like you did for concentration techniques. Do it, because the more you listen, the more you will get
Yes, sir.
knowledgeable. Okay.
Sir.
One second, I'll get the video.
What, sir? I can't see the share screen right away.
Do you have the link that I sent yesterday, Pranav, with you?
Yes, sir. It's at my mom's phone. I don't have it on my laptop. I can't grab it though because someone might call me.
Then how did you watch yesterday?
No, sir. I watched it, sir, yesterday evening, mom's phone, but I can't do it now because mom has a friend. Her friends might call her, so I might get disturbed. So could you send me the link at my laptop?
No, I have got the video. Okay. Sharing the screen now.
Mechanics of three-finger technique. I'm going to explain to you step by step. Step number one.
Right. So I'm going to give you the remote control. You can watch, you can pause whenever you want, and you can take notes and let me know when you're ready, because we need to speak about this. You will try to make a presentation. I will ask some questions and you will try to answer. Are you
Yes,
ready?
sir.
Shall I give you the? Here
Yes,
it
sir.
is.
I do,
And
sir.
yeah, don't get into any other videos. Don't use the annotations unnecessarily. Don't, draw and stuff. Have full concentration on the video.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you have the control now. Take it.
Today is June 18, 2019, and today we are going to speak about a therapy. I would like to first of all give you a small introduction why this therapy is going to be administered today. You have fear of darkness. You have fear of paranormal existence. You have fear that the nightmare that came last night is going to attack you. These kind of invisible fears, yet very haunting fears, they cannot be shared with other people. But it is going to create a lot of inner storm inside you and you will not be able to come out of it. And your personality factors are hugely affected because of these fears. So the therapy that we are going to speak today is a very classical one, ancient one. And if you would like to call it as a very technical and the new generation technology based therapy, well, you could say that. But I always prefer vintage, classical, old school types of therapies. So when I was studying an article in one of the books about psychic perception, I came to understand that your brain neurons have got connection with your fingers. So in this therapy, we are going to make connection between the brain neurons and the fingers. Might be sounding very complicated, but if you are really trying it out, it is definitely going to work out. The phone that you use, the laptop that you use, all the technological gadgets that you use, they're all conditioned machines. And so is your brain. You can condition your brain to think about certain things, not to think about certain things, to dwell into certain things, not to dwell into certain things, and to dissociate from some of the feelings. Let's say, for example, if a person has got a huge amount of fear about darkness, the person is not very much okay with the nocturnal animals, which are all awake at the night. And if a person watches a horror movies and the mind is haunting about the memories of that horror movies, these kinds of fears and mental blocks are called as fears, but I would like to say these are phobias, not fears. The difference between phobia and fear is both are states of mind, but you got to understand that fear is a long-lasting state of mind. Phobia is a permanent state of mind. Okay, so if you're not taking necessary action against that phobia, that's going to stay with you. Right? Okay, so it's going to be very difficult for you to get away if the phobia is so much resonated inside you. Now, coming back to the example, if a person has got the fear about darkness, the person can demonstrate this particular therapy at that point of time of being in the darkness. The person enters into the room.
Rana, wait.
Stomps into the room and automatically the
Yes, sir.
lights go off and the person is actually a person with lots of fear about darkness. And there, then and
Is it playing now?
Yes, sir. It's glitchy, sir. I can't do.
there, the person can use this therapy and get out of that fear instantaneously. Sounds exciting, right? So I'm going to give you step-by-step therapy. The therapy's name is the three-finger technique.
I'll have the remote control and I will pass it whenever you're supposed to take notes. We'll do that way, okay?
Yes, sir.
Write something now.
Whatever the combination may be. I want only your
Sir, I can't hear the video, sir. It's quiet.
Don't you see I'm writing something on it? Are you able to see that I'm writing something on it? Typing
No,
something on it?
sir. No, sir. I can't see your writing.
The video is in past, right?
Yes,
Yeah, the
sir.
video
Now
is
it's
in
past. It's been delayed the entire time.
No, I have passed. I have passed. Don't find complaints. Now I'm going to play. Now you concentrate. Have you noted down that 3-finger technique that is displayed on the slide?
No, sir. I can't see your writing.
Fingers to be associated, whether it is this
Now I
combination
can see it.
or
Now I
this
can see it.
combination.
Now I can see it. Now I can see it.
Okay.
That's gone, sir.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Yeah.
Sir, you can continue now.
Whatever the combination may be. I want only your 3 fingers to be associated, whether it is this combination or this combination or this combination. I don't care. The 3-finger technique. If you Google 3-finger technique, it will take you to Jose Silva's alpha level mind control method. There is no specific documented kind of existence of literature about this 3-finger technique. But I know only one thing very sure, and that is if you are conditioning your mind to adopt this 3-finger technique, you can definitely get out of any feeling, I would say. Any scarce feeling, I would say. Any scary feeling, any kind of what to say, the level of brain clustered distraction, as they say in psychology, you can come out of all that. I recently came across a counseling case where the person is very much doubtful about the courage the person has when the person goes back home after watching a horror movie. The person is staying in a mansion separately and the person is not getting good sleep after watching the horror movie. And I asked him, why you watch horror movie? Why at all in the world you'll have to go buy a ticket for horror movie, and why to bask into the 3 hours of duration and watch horror movie and go back and you are finding it so much difficult to sleep? Why all that? The person says that it is very exciting to watch horror movie, but I'm not able to come out of it. I'm just staying in the same kind of that thunderous feel, he says. So I was able to give this mechanism to that person, and I'm able to give the mechanism to the person who is scared of darkness as well. So without taking further, let us straight away get into the mechanics of 3-finger technique. I'm going to explain to you step by step. Step number 1, identify the fear for which you want to administer this